Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Crypto for Columbus, and today we're talking all things RNS.ID, and this is update number 3. If you're following along, I just did update for week 2 yesterday, and I just wanted to, I had a tab open because I always have like a million tabs open in Chrome, and I decided to hit refresh on my RNS.ID dashboard. And what happened was I saw that I moved into printing. So if you remember, we went through the different steps, but I got an email saying that I got my government approval, and they asked me to reconfirm the address for shipping. So now it will go into printing, and then after printing, shipping. So just to be technical, we will open up the application process and read through it. So we just finished the government approval, which is after initial screening, the government of Palau is able to review your application and give you the final approval to accept you as a Palau digital resident. Once successful, you'll receive an email. So I did get an email saying, welcome, I am now officially a digital resident of Palau. So super exciting news there. And now we move into printing. Once your ID has been approved, it is sent for printing. It is then packaged and prepared to be sent to the shipping address you provided. So I did get in the email that said welcome as a digital Palau resident. It also asked me to reconfirm the shipping address that I am going to have the ID sent to and include my phone number. So super exciting there. I did that right away. And next we get shipping. So you will receive an email once your card has shipped alongside a tracking number. You can begin using your ID immediately when you receive the ID and welcome kit. So that's it. So I will do another video as soon as I hit shipping and get a tracking number, and I will keep you guys updated throughout the shipping process and see how long that takes. And then once I get my welcome kit, I will show you guys what's in the welcome kit aside from my ID. But I just wanted to give that quick update because it's super exciting, and I can't wait for that to get here. And it's working. So the process is working as it should, and I hope that if you have any questions, any concerns, I have a playlist with all sorts of frequently asked questions, and I will continue to update about this process, but very excited for RNS.ID and becoming a digital resident of Palau. That's it. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.